Hi, I'm Mark with L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a snapper HI-VAC bagging push mower with a Briggs and Stratton 8.75 engine. It's electric start and the battery kept on going dead. We checked the battery. The battery's good, but it's not charging. So we're going to tear the motor apart and replace the stator in this. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take this top shroud off. These are 5/16. And this whole top piece will slide off here. And here's our stator right here, so we have to take the gas tank off. It's like a 3/8. Take down this throttle cable here so we have more room. And there's a bolt under here with the spacer. Don't want to lose that. So then we're going to take these two bolts out here. I'll be able to shimmy the tank out of here. Like that. And there's our culprit right there. This here's what's burned out, so I'm gonna grab a new one of them and put it on, and hopefully this thing will start charging again. I'm gonna take that out. There we go. We got like a little plug-in right here to spread the two sides. It pops right out of there. So I'll go grab a new one. See if we can't get this thing charging. Okay, we got our new one here. And it's a 0.5 amp alternator. And the Briggs number is a 691991. It's pretty common for all these between 6 and 9 horsepower engines. It's supposed to be around 30 thousandths on the flywheel, but I hate using metal feeler gauges on this kind of stuff because I'm always scared I'm gonna burn a diode out or something. So if you use like 3 business cards, it's about the same. So we'll go ahead and start this one, and we'll put it halfway tight, because this one here, that's what we use to put the gas tank on. Okay. Oh. Hook up the plug-in. There we go. Now we can start putting everything back on. But yeah, I recommend like 3 business cards for that, because if you have crappy luck like me, you end up burning something out. Loosen that just a smidgen here. Get that under the gas tank there. There we go. Started there. And we got, put this one in underneath, I put that spacer in. What is it, get everything just started for now. Okay, we got everything started, so we'll finish tightening up this alternator. I'm gonna use a plastic part of the screwdriver just so I can keep it tight there. Tighten this one up down here. Now go ahead and tighten these up. Okay, now we'll just spin the flywheel. They come right out. It should be gapped. I'm all ready to go. So now we can put our shroud and everything on it now. Let's double check everything. Pops on just like that. I'm gonna grab our recoil. just like so. Put these 5/16 nuts on there now. And on them alternators, there's all sorts of things that could have burned it out. You know, you could have a short, or even, you know, a bad battery that's constantly working. And it burned it out, you know. So I suppose, you know, every spring, whatever, you know, check your battery, make sure the battery's good, so it don't put all that stress on that alternator. But there we go. We'll get this put on the ground here and put the tester on it, but it's gonna work out just fine. So. Yeah, that's what I'll do next. Get it on the ground and put the tester on it. Okay, it's got done starting it up. And that's charging just fine. The battery's going to be charged up, so every time they want to turn the key, you go mow and they're all ready to go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and you have a good day. Bye. Hi, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thanks.